So I'll start it now. Can you see this screen? Hello?
Yes,
Can you?
yes.
Okay, okay. So we'll start here. Okay. So in the quiz, if I tell you there are 5 questions. Okay. So first question will be from number system. Numbers will be the first question. Like I explained 5 type of number, natural numbers. That is 1, 2, 3, like this. Okay. Second type of number I explained you with W, whole numbers, include 0, 1, 2, 3, dot. Then the third number was integers, Z. It contains the negative numbers -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, like this. And fourth number is important number, fourth and fifth. Fourth number is what? Fourth number is rational number. Fourth number is rational numbers. So what is rational number? Rational number, any number that we are writing in P by Q form. Clear? What is P and Q? P and Q should be integers. And here one thing you need to remember, Q cannot be equal to 0. Then it is called rational number. Like say 2 by 5 rational number. 3 by 7 rational number. -1 by 2 rational number. 0 by 6 is a rational number. But 1 by 0, this is not rational number. That you need to remember. Okay, so 1 by 0 is a wrong number. So 1 by 0 is not rational number. Now, if we see, there are 3 type of numbers we call rational. Number 1, that is written in the form of 3 by 5, like this. Number 2, that number is written in terms of point, but here it stop. Like say 1.75, stop here. And then third type of number in which 1.7777, same type of digit are coming. And this type of things we called a repeat. Clear? So you need to focus here on these rational type of numbers. What type of rational numbers are rational? So these 3 are rational numbers. Now come to the irrational number. What is irrational number? Irrational number is when we write 1.73192.8 and this continue, not stop. It is not stop and not repeat. And what we call not repeat. Clear? So these type of numbers are called irrational number. And if we club these numbers together, clear, then it is called R, the set of real numbers. So all numbers that you are studying are real numbers. Clear? So these type of things you need to remember. This is question number, if you see question number 1. It will be a 2 marks question. And what type of question will come? The question will come like you can see here. Like say these type of questions. Okay, so here this is the question. What is the question? Question number 1, if you will see, which of the following is a rational number? Which of the following is a rational number? Rational number, if you look at, I explained you 3 type of rational number. What is first type of rational number? Where 3 by 5, A by B type. Another type of rational number I told stop. Another type of rational number I told repeat. These 3 are rational number. So which of the following is rational number? E is not a rational number. Please remember, E is not a rational number. Pi is not a rational number. Both are irrational number. Please remember, this is Q dash and same, this is Q dash, rational number. And here if you see this number, what is this? 1.3652, and after 2 there is a bar here. You can see there is a bar here. Bar means what? Bar means this value is repeat. This is repeat here. And if it is repeat, this is the rational number. So what is the correct answer? B is the correct answer. So here, please remember all numbers with the square root where answer is not mumkin, where we do not know answer. Okay, those numbers are called irrational number. You can see any number here. You look here, square root 2, square root 3, square root 4, square root 5 are all irrational number. So here this is irrational number, this pi is irrational number, and E is also irrational number. Just remember the irrational number. So what type of question will come in exam? In exam, if you will see, the question will be like question number 2. What type of question it is? They will give you numbers here, like say they have given numbers here, like all these numbers. Clear? So if you see these numbers, you need to identify what type of number it is. Like say this is 7 by 3. 7 by 3 is a means number taksim another number. So this is not whole number. This is not integer. Yes, this is rational number. Clear? And it is not irrational number. So this is how you need to solve the question in quiz. Are you understanding?
Mister, again.
Okay. So what you need to do? Look here. What type of question it is? This question is equal to P divide Q. This is P divide Q form. P divide Q form. If you have number, then it is not whole number. It is not integer. It is not irrational number, because any number that is written in P divide Q form, that is this type of form. You can see this type of form. This is not irrational number. This is not integer. This is not real. What type of number it is? This type of number is the real number. Sorry, rational number. So in exam, if this type of question come 7 by 3, so where you need to put it? You need to put on rational number. Now come to pi. If you look at the question number 1, what I told you, pi is a irrational number. So if you look at pi, pi is a whole number? No. Pi is an integer? No. Pi is a rational number? No. So what type of number pi? Pi is a irrational number. These things you need to remember. Okay. Now, if you go to square root 18, I told you, look here, there are two square root. One is square root 18 and one is square root 25. So square root 25, we know what is the answer of square root 25. The answer is 5, because it is a complete square root, complete square. While 18 is not a complete square. If you will calculate the square root of 18, then it will not be like say complete number. Like say, if I calculate the square root of 25, you can see here. What answer is coming? You can see here. The answer is coming 5. You can see here. This answer is 5. But if you calculate a square root of 18, then it will not be a complete number. It will be, look, 4.242640687. So number is not stop. Number is not repeat. Yes, please. Yes, what are you saying? Yeah. Yes. Irrational number, because it is not stop. So if you calculate the square root of square root 18, not stop. And if it is not stop, then my dear friends, it is an irrational number. So this is not rational, this is not integer, and this is not whole number. Okay, now come to here. This is, look here, 1.275. If you look here, this is stop. This number is stop here at 5. So what type of number this is? If the number is stop, it is a rational number. Clear? So this is rational. Is this irrational? No. because this is decimal, it is not integer, it is not whole number. But if you look at square root 25 is equal to 5, then what is the answer now? Answer is 5. Now we need to look at 5. What is 5? 5 is a whole number. 5 is a integer. Yes. And if you look at 5 can be written as 5 divide 1. So 5 divide 1 means it is a rational number.
Why
Yes.
5 integer don't have salib? ما
No,
salib
no, no.
يعني
Hi, teacher.
You look. Hello.
Hello, how are you?
I'm good.
Teacher, when is the quiz?
Which is Tuesday morning.
teacher
Tomorrow?
and the paper
Yes, Hamid, what are you saying?
Quiz tomorrow?
Tuesday. Tuesday is the
Okay, okay.
third day of the week. Tomorrow is Sunday.
Okay. Thank you,
Ah,
teacher.
welcome. So
Thank
if
you.
you look at 5, so 5 is, see 1, 2, 3, then 4 will come, then 5 will come. So 5 is a natural number. Similarly, 3, 4, 5. So 5 is a whole number. Similarly, 4, 5. 5 is an integer. So if you look at the question here, so what is coming? What is the square root? What is the answer of 25? The answer of 25 is 5. That means 5 is a whole number, 5 is an integer, and because we can write 5 divide 1, so it is a rational number also. Clear? So this is 3 type of options. It is correct. Because it is rational, so it cannot be rational. That's why I cancel it. So in quiz, you will get a 2 marks question in which we will give 2 or 3 numbers, and you need to put the tick if it is correct, like this. Here, this correct, we put like this. And if we are putting, if it is not true, then we will put cross. This is how you need to solve the question number 1. Okay. Now, if you go to the another, like say, second type of question. So what is the second type of question? Second type of question is based on properties. Properties, if you see, there are 3 type of properties. PAINT, paint. There are 3 type of properties that if you see, what is the first property? First property is the commutative property. Commutative property. And what is the commutative property? Commutative property is if A plus B is equal to B plus A, or A multiply B, dharb B is equal to B dharb A. This is commutative property. Second is associative. Associative property. What is associative? Associative property based on 3 numbers. Like say, what they will give? They will give you this type of thing. A plus B plus C. B plus C, they will put bracket. You need to write the right side of it. So what is the right side of it? Here bracket is on last 2 numbers. So we will put here bracket on first 2 numbers. This is how we will do it. Similarly, for multiplication, A dharb B jama C. What it will be? A dharb B. First we will multiply A with B. Then we will multiply A with C. A dharb B jama A dharb C. This is, oh sorry, this is distributive law I explained. I was explaining associative law. Sorry. So A dot B dot C, and it will be same. A dot B dot C. This is clear. So here you can see bracket is on last 2 numbers. Here bracket will be on first 2 numbers. And then the last third property is distributive property. Distributive property. What is distributive? Distributive property is A dharb B jama C. That is on 2 composition. Dot means dharb and jama. So what we will do? We will do A into B and A into C. A dharb B, jama A dharb C. So these type of questions you will find in your exam. So what type of question you will find? Read the question number 3. What is question number 3? Use the associative property. What property we need to use? We use associative property. And what is the associative property? A dharb B dharb C. So what we will do? Here bracket is on last two numbers. We will write bracket is on first two numbers. So X dharb 3 bracket closed and the dharb 5. Khalas. This is how you need to solve it. It's very easy. Here bracket is on last two numbers. You can see here bracket is here. Clear? What we need to do? We need to put bracket on first two numbers. Khalas. Now, if you see, complete the following using commutative property. What is commutative? It is A dot B, A dharb B is equal to B dharb A. Class. It's easy. X 8 dot Y is equal to Y dot 8. This you need to prove it. Means write it. So, in case of associative, you need to write the right hand side. In case of commutative, you need to right side. Now use the distributive property. That means it will be 2. You can see here. What is here? 4 dharb. 4 dharb. So what it will be? 4 dharb 3x jama 4 dharb 2. How we will do? 4 multiply by 3 and 4 multiply by 2. This is how you need to do it. So what is this? 4 dharb 3 is 12x jama 4 dharb 2 is 8. So here, because you need to, he mentioned solve. Solve means you need to find the answer. That's why I multiply in this case. Here I did not multiply because here he is saying only to complete it. He's not saying anything. He's saying only to complete it. Okay. So this is second type of question. They will give you something like this and then you need to find it. Now, I'll ask you one question. If who will tell me answer? If there is a number A, if I want to add something here so that answer remains A, what should I add here? Who will tell me? Yes, anyone?
0.
0. So what this 0 called? This 0 is called additive identity. Additive identity. Please remember, if some question coming in exam, that what is the additive identity? So additive identity is 0. Like say here you can see question. What is the question? The additive identity is. So what is the answer of this question? 0.
0.
0 is the additive identity. So please remember it. Okay. Now, another question. If I want to multiply A by something so that answer comes A, what number I should multiply?
Mr. In
Yes.
question 6, I write 0, the word or the number only.
Only number 0.
Okay.
What will be answer coming here?
One.
If I want, if I want to dharb A by some number so that answer remains same, what number will be? 1. And what is this one called? Multiplicative identity. Multiplicative identity. This is called multiplicative identity. So, if the question is coming, what is the question? Question number 7. The multiplicative identity is 1. This is. So, you need to remember the multiplicative identity. Okay. Now, here this I explained you identity. Now, the another question comes inverse. What is the inverse? Like say there is a number A, or you can write some number. Like say I write 4. So what number should I add to 4 so that answer comes صفر, 0. What number should I add in 4 so that answer comes 0? Please tell me. So please remember in this case,
سالب
minus 4. Clear? So if I have plus 4 and I will add minus 4, so answer will be صفر, 0. Clear? So this minus 4 is called additive inverse. Inverse. What type of? Plus. Plus inverse. Additive inverse. Clear? And if I want to say 4 by 5, question is 4 by 5. Multiply. Which number should I multiply so that I get 1? If you remember, I told you one term, makloob. 5 divide 4. So 5 cancelled with 4, 5, 4 cancelled with 4. So answer is 1. This is called multiplicative inverse. Multiplicative inverse. Clear? And what is the multiplicative inverse? Now there is a question in front of you. Write the additive inverse and multiplicative inverse. So first we will write the additive inverse. Additive inverse we will write first. So how to calculate additive inverse? If number is 4, just put nakas before the number. So you will get the answer. Okay. So here is number what? Here number is minus 7 by 3. So if we will put one more negative here, so the number will change into plus 7 by 3. So additive inverse is plus 7 by 3 because in that case minus minus plus. Similarly here, minus 3 is here. So we put one more negative here. So negative, negative, positive. So the answer is 3 here.
بس
Yes.
بس مقلوب ولا
No, makloob is here. In multiplicative inverse, we do makloob.
معكوس
In additive inverse, we put nakas. Okay, like say here what is the number? Here if you will see, the number is minus 7 by 3. So answer will be 7 by 3. Negative class. Here nakas 3. So we will write answer 3 only. In additive inverse, please remember. And here is 1 by 5. No minus here. So we will put minus here. 1 divide 5. Class. This is the answer. So in case of additive inverse, what we are doing? We are just putting one more negative. Negative, negative, positive. Negative, negative, positive. You can see here. And here no negative, so we will put negative. So 1 by 5 is the answer. Negative. So this is how
Only
we
for-
calculate. Yes, please.
only use negative or no negative
Only use negative. Only use negative in additive inverse. In this case, in this additive inverse, this one, additive inverse, we only put negative, khalas. Like say 1 by 5, so put minus 1 by 5, finish, like this. But in case of multiplicative inverse, here multiplicative inverse, you need to put makloob. Same, makloob. So what is the number same? Minus, what is the makloob of 7 by 3? 3 by 7. Like say here. What is the makloob of 3? Makloob of 3 is 1 by 3. What is the makloob of 1 by 5? Makloob of 1 by 5 is 5 divide 1. This is how we are calculating the multiplicative inverse. So the question is very, very easy. Here, in case of additive inverse, you need to put negative. In case of multiplicative inverse, you need to put makloob. Here, makloob. If A by B is there, you need to write B by A. Khalas. So this is how you need to do it. Okay. Now we'll move to the another type of question. This is very, very important question. What question it is? This type of question, like say, we will have fraction. If you remember, we have fraction. Fraction we are studying. Fraction means any number that is written in form of a upon b. So what we need to do? We need to do three things. One, we need to do 1 by 3 dharb 4 by 5. Clear? This is means multiplication of fraction. What second thing we will do? We will do 1 by 3 taksim 4 by 5. This is second type of question. And the third type of question is like say 1 by 10 jama 1 by 15. How to do it? But before I will explain a simple type of question like say 4 by 10. Okay. And then I will take 1 by 10 plus 2 by 15. Like this type of question. This thing you need to learn. Only 4 type of question that you need to practice here. So if you look at the first type of question, what you need to do? It is write a line. What is in the numerator? This number is called numerator. So 1 dharb 4. This is. And here, this is the denominator, 3 and 5. Write 3 and 5 here. And just simplify. 4 times 1, 4. And 5 times 3, 15. Yes, you asking something?
No.
Okay.
Only answer the question.
Okay. Now, in case of Taksim, if you remember, I told you write first number, then change this Taksim into dharb. And whatever number is written here, just write the makloob of this. 5 taksim 4 is equal to. Now, same like above. 1 dharb 5 divide 3 dharb 4. So how much it is? 5 dharb 1 is 5 and 3 dharb 4 is 12. So 5 by 12. This is the answer. Okay. Now here you need to see here is plus or minus. Both the options are mumkin. Maybe plus, maybe minus. Clear? So don't worry. If the number downside, look here, 10 and 10. If the numbers are same, it is very, very easy. Just draw this line, write 10 here, and sum the numerator 1 jama 4. Because here number is, here if you see, the number is 1, here the number is 4. So just sum these two numbers. So what will come? 4 jama 1, 5, divide 10. Clear? Now, can we simplify this? Yes, taksim by 5 here. So it will be the simplest form. 5 divide 5 is 1, 10 divide 5 is 2. Here this is not possible, not mumkin. Here also, this is, if you see, this is not mumkin here. But in this case, if you see, here mumkin. Taksim by 5, taksim by 5. So 1 by 2 is the answer. Okay, now, if you look at this question, this type of question will come in 2 marks in your exam. That you need to remember. Okay. So what question will come? Look here. First, what you need to do in this type of question, find the prime factors of 10. Find the prime factors of 10. 10. It will be 2 times 5 is 10. Then 5, it is 5 and 1. So what are the prime factors of 10? The prime factors of 10, 2 and 5. Clear? Now choose the second number, 15. Find the prime factor. 3 times 5, 15. And 5 times 1, 5. So what are the prime factors of 15? The prime factors of 3 and 5. So write 5 below 5. Same place. 3, there is no 3 here, so write 3 here. Now you can see here, this is khali. This is khali here. Similarly, this is khali here. So these number we need to multiply. Now look here. 1 divide 10. In 10, look what is the khali. In 10, this is khali here. Clear? So what is the number? Number is 3. So multiply 3 here. Multiply 3 here. Jama. Now write second number 2 by 15. Now look, what is the khali in 15? In 15, if you will see here, 15, this is khali. So number is 2. So multiply 2 here. 2 and 2. Now simplify it. 3 times 1, 3. 10 times 3, 30. Jama. 2 times 2, 4. 15 times 2, 30. Okay. So 30 is the, now you can see same number here, same number here. Clear? Now write 3 jama 4. 7 Taksim 30. This is the answer. This type of question will come in your exam for 2 marks. So please practice the questions where the numbers are different. Like say you can see here 10 and 15, not same. Clear? So if I will open PDF file, so you can see there is a question here in which numbers are different. Look here, this question, this is different. Look here, this is different. Look here, this is different. Okay. So these type of questions you need to practice. Okay. So tell me one question. Third, fifth, or sixth. Which question should I solve? I will solve one question only. Third, fifth, or sixth? Hello, anyone listening me?
Anything, teacher.
Okay,
Yes,
okay.
sir.
7, 12, 5 upon 20. So we will solve 7, 12, 5 by 20. 7, 12, 5 by 20. 7 divide 12, jama 5 divide 20. So you can see here in this question, these denominator 12 and 20, both are different numbers. So if different number, what you need to do? Find the prime factors of 12. Okay, so 12 is 2 times 6, 12. 2 times 3, 6. Now 3 times 1. Okay, so what are the prime factors of 12? The prime factors of 12 are 2, 2, and 3. These are the prime factors. Okay, now find the prime factors of 20. If you will find the prime factors of 20, 2 times 10, 20. 2 times 5, 10. And 5 times 1. This is. So what are the prime factors of 20? Right here. 20 is equal to 2 downside 2, 2 downside 2. But here no 3. One number is 5. So you can see here. Here in 20 you need to multiply 3. 12 you need to multiply 5. So this is how you need to solve it. Okay. So 7 Taksim 12. And which number we need to multiply? 12. Look here. 12. 12, if you will see, which number you need to multiply? 5. So multiply 5 here. Here multiply 5, jama. Now 5 divide 20. And which number we need to multiply here? 3. Because in 23 is khali. Okay, now simplify. 7 times 5, 35. Divide 12 times 5, 60. Jama. 5 times 3, 15. Divide 20 times 3, 60. Now you can see here 60 and 60 both are same. Both numbers are same here. So if both numbers are same in here, now you can see 60 is the LCM. So 35 jama 15, it is equal to 35 jama 15 is 50, divide 60. And in last class I told you, if numbers having 0, 0, so 0 cancelled by 0. So what is the answer? Answer is, you can see 5 divide 6. So the answer of this question is 5 divide 6. So please practice this type of question. This type of question will come in exam for 2 marks. Okay. Now, let's solve. Let's move to another type of question. Where is this? Where is this? Yes. So now, okay, like this is the question. Write the sum of first 10 natural numbers. First 10 natural numbers. So what are the first 10 natural numbers? You can see here. First 10 natural number. 1 plus 2 jama 3 jama 4 jama 5 jama 6 jama 7 jama 8 jama 9 jama 10. These are first 10 natural number. And if you will doing jama, you will get 55. 55 is the answer. Okay. So this type of question, they may ask you, find the sum of first 10 whole numbers. If first 10 whole numbers, they will say, so you will start 0. 0 plus 1 plus 2 and plus up to where? You will go up to 9 only because you include 0 here. So then the sum will come 45. So first 10 whole numbers, the sum is 45, while first 10 natural number, the sum is 55. So these type of questions you need to practice. Okay. So okay. Now, one question we will solve here. Write the following numbers in percentage. Percentage, what I told you, percentage means 100. Okay. So what I told you if you want to calculate into percentage, change number into 100 by 100. If you want to change any number into percentage, multiply 100 and taqsim by 100. Now, what is this? 4 into multiply 4 into 100 divide 5
Number
and simplify.
answer.
Yes, please.
10. The answer.
Okay, I'll solve. So 4 into 100 is 400. 400. Oh, it has been, sorry, delete. So what it will be? It will be here. I will write again 4 into 100 taqsim by 5 into 100. So if we will solve, it will come 400 taqsim 5 and into 100. Now you need to taqsim by 5. So it will come 80 taqsim 100. 80 taqsim 100. So now here is what? 80 taqsim by 100. So it will be 80%. This is how you need to solve. So if you want to calculate any number into percentage, please remember, you want to change the number into percentage, you need to multiply 100 and you need to taqsim by 100. Like say this number, like say 0.25 multiply by 100 and taqsim by 100. If you will multiply by this, so it will come 0.25 into 100 is 25, taqsim by 100. So it will be how much? It will be 25%. Percent you can write if you have here 0. If you have here 100, then you can write into percentage. Clear? But like this number, this is a mixed fraction. So first you need to change mixed fraction into fraction. How I explain? Taqsim by 4. This is the 4 taqsim. Then 1 into 4. This 1 into 4. Here these two numbers dharb and jama. Whatever is this number, this is 1. So if you calculate it, 4 dharb 1 is 4 and jama 1. So it will be 5 divide 4. And if you will change into percentage, you can change yourself. So answer will come 125%. So this is how we can change the number, given number into percentage. So what you need to do? You need to multiply by 5 multiply by 100 and taqsim by 100. Now, if you will simplify, it will come 125 by 100, and then it will come, we can say it is 125%. So what you need to do, you need to solve this one together, and then you will get the answer 125, and 125 you can write directly into percentage. Okay. Now, if you see here, what is the question? The value of the following percentage as fraction and decimal. You need to find the fraction and then you need to write decimal. So first you need to write. Yes, please.
C. What about C?
See, you can do yourself. It is very easy. Answer of C is just multiply by 100. So 1200%. This is the answer. You can multiply by 100 and taqsim by 100. It was very easy. That's why I did not solve. Okay. So like say here 150. So what I told you, if you want to remove percentage, so what we need to do, whatever the number, taqsim by 100. Taqsim by 100. Percentage means taqsim by 100. Now you need to simplify. 0 cancel by 0. So how much you are getting? 15 divide 10. Now 15 divide 10. So if you remember, I told you here, if you cancel this, what you will get? 15 divide 10. Clear? And what I told you, if there is a single, this is, then we can write into one decimal here from this side. From this side, you can put after one number decimal. So 10 is here. So answer is 1.5. This is the answer. Because only 10 is here. If you remember, I told you in class, like say 1543 taqsim by 100. So what will be the answer? Here, how many zeros? 2 0. So count 1, count 2. So what is the answer of this question? 15.43. This is the answer. Similarly, if you will see here, 45 divide 100. Clear? How many zeros here? 2 zeros. So 1, 2. 0.45. And what I told you, if there is no number before point, so put a 0 here. This is the answer. Now, 210%. Percent means taqsim by 100. Now, 0 cancelled by 0. So what we are getting? 21 taqsim 10. How many 0 here? 1. So put decimal here. So it will be how much? 2.1. These questions are very, very easy. Yes, this is little difficult. 5% means 5 divide 100. Okay, who will tell me what is the answer of this question? Here, how many zeros? 2 zeros here. So what will be the answer of this question? Write 5 here because we need 2 numbers, but only one number is here. So we will put one more number here and then we will put 0 because there is no number here. So it is 0.05. Please remember, because 2 zeros are here, so we need 2 number here. Here we need 2 number here. Before means decimal and then 2 numbers. So answer will be what? Answer will be 0.005 because 2 zeros. So first write 0.5 and then put a point and write 10 here. So 0.05 is the answer. So you need to look here. This is fraction 15 by 10 and this is decimal. So you need to change into fraction. You need to change into decimal. Please remember this thing. Okay. And now the next question is ratio. 12 ratio 15. You need to write it into simplest form. So 12 ratio 15. It is 12 divide 15. Write 12 ratio 15 as 12 divide 15. What you need to do? Now you need to write it into simplest form. Simplest form means, is Taksim mumkin? Yes. Taksim by 3 mumkin. 12 divide 3, 4. 15 divide 3, 5. So answer is 4 by 5 here. This you need to remember. Okay. So this is how we are solving means ratios into simplest fraction. Like rest you can do, I will solve this one. Like say 15 divide 35. So you can see 5 is here, 5 is here. So I told you if 5 is there, Taksim by 5. 15 Taksim 5 is 3. 35 Taksim 5 is 7. So answer is 3 by 7. Similarly, you can calculate answer of this. Answer of this will be 1 by 4. Answer of this will be 9 times 2, 18, 9 times 3, 27. So 2 by 3 will be answer. Similarly, you can calculate. Very, very easy. Okay, but practice this question, 12. This type of question, you will find 2 marks question in exam. They will give you percentage and you need to change it into fraction. You need to change into decimal. Okay, so please practice this type of question. And there will be 2 marks question. This question is little difficult. 2 marks question. This will come in exam. This type of question, like this type of question, because it is a 2 marks. So these are simple, but here it will be little difficult question. Okay. So if you remember in this, what I told you, if you have a negative number, clear, and here is multiply. So what you can do is you can simplify together, because here, look here, base 4, base 4, base 4. All 3 numbers have base 4. So it is very easy. 4, what is the exponent here? Exponent here is 6. Clear? Multiply. If here is negative, so we will do same, minus 2. Here, no exponent is written. So what is the exponent here? 1. And this 1, if you will take upside, so it will change into minus. Now, simplify it. And what is this? 6 minus 2, 4. 4 minus 1, 3. So 4 power 3. One thing you need to remember, you need to write the output as positive. Positive means Jama, exponent. Like you can see 4 power plus 3. It is not Nakas 3. It is positive 3. So this you need to remember. Okay. Now come to next question. What is the next question? You can see here there are 2 type of numbers, A power 3, B and B. So make B together, A together. Okay, let us see. Where is B power more? Here B power 6, here B power 4. Which number is more? 6 is more. So we will keep B here, 6, and this 4 we will take up. It will be minus 4. Look at A. Here A power 1, here A power 3. So A power 3 minus 1. We will shift this A down so that big number will be same place. Negative small number will shift here. So we are shifting A here. Similarly, we are shifting B here. Okay. So what is this? B power 6 minus 4, 2 upon A power 3 minus 1, 2. You can see here is plus 2, here is plus 2. So B power 2, A power 2, positive exponent. You can see we need to calculate positive exponent. This is how you need to do it. Okay. Then if you look at the next question is also same like first question. What is this? You can see base 2, base 2, base 2. So we'll write 2 together. What is the exponent here? 5. Power 5. What is the power here? 4. So plus 4. And what is the power here? Minus 6. Now minus 6 you will take up. So this minus 6 will become plus 6. And here they are saying whole power 3. So how much it is? 2 power 5 plus 4, 9, 9 plus 6, 15. 2 power 15 and power 3. And I told you power rule. Power rule is what? 2, if power above power, we will dharb. So what is the answer? 2 power 45. This is the answer of this question. Question number 3. Okay. Now come here. In this question, if you look at in this question, m is there and m is here. So first, simplify slowly. Here m power 2, here m power 2. So we can take anyway 2 minus 2. So what we have done? We finished m khalas. Now look at n. N term is alone. There is no two terms of n. N is alone. So write n power 3. Okay. So this n class. Now look at a. Here is a. Here you can see here a power 2. Just a minute. You can see here what? A power 2 here. Here a power 2 and here a power minus 7. So we need to make the exponent positive. How it will positive? If this minus 7, we will shift down. So what we will do? We will take a here and two terms. 2 you can see two values are here. This is 2 and minus 7 here. This minus 7 will change plus 7. So a class. Okay. Now C remaining. Minus 3 and plus minus 2. Both are negative. So here we will take C minus 2. Why I am taking C minus 2 upside? Because here is minus 3. Minus 3 if we will take upside, it will change into plus 3. Now you can solve. M power 2 minus M power 2 nakas 2. M power 0. Now N power 3. C power 3 nakas 2. It is 1 upon a power 7 jama 2, 9. And if you remember, I told you any number with 0 exponent value is 1. So what is the answer? Answer is n power 3 C divide a power 9. And you can see plus 3 here, plus 1 here and plus 9 here. All powers are positive. Sorry. All powers are positive. So what you need to do? You need to remember the positive exponent. If negative exponent you are keeping, so you will lose marks. Okay. Now, this type of question you need to practice more from your course material, because in exam you will find this type of question. Okay. So what you need to do? Look here. First, simplify the bracket inside. Then put the exponent. Like same question here. First we put simplify here, then we put exponent. Okay. So what is this here? 3 upon 5. Both are number. Then look here. A and A. So A power 1 here and minus 3 you can take upside. So it will change into plus 3. Now here. B power 8 is here. Here is B power 8. Here is B power 6. So B will keep down. So B power 8 and 6 will come from upside. 6 will come here. So 8 minus 6. Okay. And whole power is how much? Whole power is 2. Now, how much? 3. A power 3 plus 1, 4 upon 5. B power 8 minus 6, 2. And whole power 2. Now, what you need to do? You need to write the power 3 power 2, because now you need to open 3 power 2, A power 4 power 2, Taksim 5 power 2 and B power 2 power 2. Now just simplify this. 3 power 2 is 9. A power 4 times 2 is 8. 5 power 2 is 25. And B power 2 is B power multiply 4. So you can see in this question here, all exponent, whether it is 8 or 4, all are positive. So this is how you need to solve the question. Clear? Yes, please tell me if you have any more question.
Mister, in the quiz, only one question, not 5, or no?
Please speak again what you are saying.
I say this example for questions come only one. No. For example, come number 1. This. Do you understand me?
No, I do not understand what you are saying. What I'm saying, you just practice these questions. Okay. If you will practice these questions, what in exam will be do here, like say the question here is written -7/3. Clear? In exam, what type of will give? Maybe we will give 8 by -9. We will give 4/3. We will give 1/6. Understand?
Yes.
So only these type of things like yes.
But in the last question,
Last question. In this question, you need to solve more questions from your book. There are many questions written in your course material. If you just give me 1 second, I'll open. And if you will see here, I will show you page number. What is this? Chapter 2. Chapter 2. Yes, it is coming. So if you want to practice this topic perfectly, then just practice these questions. I will show you. Here exercise this question. Yes, from 15 here, look here, from question number, you can say question number 15. No, not here. Where is that? Here. So
for example, this question from A and B. In the quiz, from
no.
B, C.
Yes. No. It can come in ABC, it can come in XYZ. So just practice these questions. And if you
Okay.
want to practice little more, just practice, because I told power type of question will come like this type of question. So practice question number 38. Okay. If you will practice these questions, inshallah, everyone will get 10 out of 10, because you will lose marks in this question because this is difficult question. Okay. Practice this type of questions more. And I'm sure you can do it. Understand or not?
Yes.